Hello everybody, welcome to day 7 of our website design challenge. So this video I'm going to be opening our minds, because if you watch the 6th video you understand where we are now. So I'm not going back to that page now. So you have just watched this video, just go back to the 6th video, watch it to get more understanding about where we are. So now for the continuation of today, day 6 training. So we are continuing on how we're going to go into. Now we've installed our WordPress, we have backend to design our website now. So now this is the backend of WordPress. This is how it looks like. Dashboard, Elementor, I've installed that. So Elementor is a software that you use to design websites. I'm going to, as time goes on, I'm going to be showing how you're going to use Elementor very well. So now what we're going to do now is, the first thing is you must understand two things on website design, that you must understand theme and plugin. Let me explain briefly. Theme is the look of your website, how your website looks, the look of the entire website. That is a theme. For example, if you just buy a new phone and you decide that this phone is the way it's functioning, I don't like it. If you notice, when you install that WordPress, the entire face was white, static. That is a static theme. There is no, there is no theme that is fine there. So theme is to change the look of your website, the look of how the arrangement, the look of how the website is. That is just theme. So plugin is to add another functionality to that theme. So for example, anything that is not in the theme, plugin, you download the plugin to add it, to add it to act in that way again. Let me briefly explain that. Theme is, for example, you just buy a new phone and maybe your phone is an Android phone. So you want the phone face to look like iPhone. When somebody collect the phone from you, open the phone, you just bring iPhone stuff. That is the theme, right? So you want I want my phone to be doing like iPhone. When people collect the thing like iPhone, even before they check the back. So you not have to head to Play Store, download iPhone theme. So install it. Before you know, your phone is already working like iPhone. Like, it's not really iPhone at the front, at the back, or the entire body is not iPhone, but inside, that is what it's called front end. Inside, when somebody collect the phone, you open it, it will see all the features of iPhone, but when you click on it, you will see that an Android with this. So that is just to change the appearance, the look of the entire website. So the plugins to add another functionality. So you just bought the new phone, you are the one that added the theme that is functioning, and the phone is now appearing like iPhone and the theme. So now you now decide that I want to now create, I want this phone, I want, when you buy a new phone, what you see there is, you only see call, call and some other photos, blah blah blah, camera, those are the things that will follow the phone come. Your WhatsApp will not follow it, Telegram, TikTok, it will not follow the phone. You understand? So we now decide that so my phone can WhatsApp. My phone is using WhatsApp on his phone, so definitely mine as well should be able to WhatsApp. So what do? You now decide, okay, the main functionality of that phone has come with the theme that was on the phone. Why? The main functionality of that phone has come with the theme that is on the phone. Which is the theme? The theme is the look of the phone, the face, the look of how the phone screen looks like. When you open a Samsung phone, you will see how it is. When you open an Android phone, what differentiates an Android phone from iPhone is the theme. Even when you see an iPhone with this one, you check the back, but the theme as well have differentiated it. So what am I saying next is that, so we now decide that your friend is using WhatsApp and is now doing video call, and yours is just to make call. You don't have any social media stuff on it. So what do? You head over to your Play Store to download WhatsApp. So from them, what are you now doing then? You're adding another functionality to that phone. The main usage of that phone is to make call. That is why WhatsApp does not come along with it. That's why Facebook, although TikTok does not come with it, because the main is called hand phone, is cell phone to make call. So now you've added another functionalities by downloading it. So you want it to WhatsApp, you download it. You want it to TikTok, you download it. You want it to start doing all that paint, depending on your demand. Now you want to start using it to edit video. What you do, you go to your Play Store or Apple Store, you download video editing app, maybe CapCut, InShot, and the likes. You understand? So that is just that about plugin. That's the work of plugin to a website. So when you are, maybe for example, the website you want to design based on the demand of the client, it's not on the theme that you used. So what you do, you head over to your plugin center and install the plugin and activate it, and it will bring the functionality. So by then you're adding another functionality to that theme which you are using. I hope that is clear. So let's go over to the training properly. So you can see now under the theme, all these features, this is why it's there. This is why all these features are there now. Is because I've installed all these things. So I will teach you how you can do that. I've installed it already. So let's just over this appearance. You see plugin, this appearance. So just head over to appearance. That appearance is theme. So you can, when you click on appearance, you come to theme, click on theme. Pardon this network. Pardon the network. That's how it happened yesterday. Network don't want me to do this to Nisha. That's how I did yesterday. Network don't want us to do this to you. That's what happened yesterday as well. So this is how my my front end looks like now. There's nothing meaningful there. I installed a theme and it was showing like this, so it doesn't make any sense. So what we want to do now is just to install a functional theme. So what you do now, as I've said, you head over to your appearance and you click on the theme. Click on theme. So after you click on theme, you see the theme that I've installed before. So just head over to your here, add theme. As you click on theme, you come to add theme. So you're just adding another theme. Click on add theme. So by then, if you have a premium theme, so although at the end of the tutorial I'm going to be giving you access to my premium theme. So if you have a premium theme, you can just upload the theme that will be given to you. I will teach you how to upload the theme later. So that's not what we are doing now. So just search for Azra on this search bar, search theme here. You see search theme, search themes. So this place is where you search for your theme. Just click on it, search for your theme. So search for Azra. This is the Astra. I have it here already, so you can, your own mind ask it to search. One will just display automatically, but if it does display automatically, so what you do now, you just search for it. There is ASTRA. So that's Astra. So once you search on it, just click on install. The install will be like this. The install button will be like this. After you've installed it, you now have to activate it. You can see that something else is what is displaying here. This is because I have not activated it. So if I activate it now, it will display another thing. You understand what I'm saying? So it will display another thing. So let's just do it like that. So after that, after you install and activate Astra, just install and activate it. After you install it, to ask you to activate. Now me, I'm activating it. So this is I activated it because I want to have access to starter template. So if it doesn't install Azra or activate Azra, you will not see starter template. So this is starter template. Starter template has a lot of templates. There's a lot of themes that are free, that are very that are very beautiful, that you can use for your designs. So this is starter template. So once you've installed the Astra, just come to this site, the left hand side of your website under the appearance. You will see starter template directly. So click on starter template. Click on the starter template. I want us to perform some magic. So click on starter template. So please, want you to know that WordPress needs a stronger network. So this is why it's like this, because the network is fluctuating. So it needs a stronger network. So ensure you are in a place that the network is bastardly okay. You understand what I'm saying? So that is bastardly strong. So it will give you accessibility on time. So this is the front end of the website. This is how it looks now. When I installed, it was black before. When I installed Astra, it's showing all this yama thing. Don't worry, you'll get over it. Just look for network. This starter thing is what you're going to use. So I think it's loading now. Yeah, so you can see something. It said build AI builder website or classics website, build with template. So just click on build with template. Build with template here. That's what you are building. You are building with template. It said Elementor or block editor. Just click on Elementor. So now it will display a lot of themes that are under him. The starter template will give you a lot of free themes that you can design. These ones are premium themes. If you have money, you can be a millionaire. So you can use the theme. So depending on the kind of website you want to create for. So you can see there are themes here. This one are free themes. You can see it's free. Anyone that you see yellow, this thing is premium. So these ones are free. Just ensure you have a nice network. This agency is premium. There are a lot of free themes there. This network that is. Let's wait for it to load. 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 Let's be patient for it to load. So these are themes. It's a professionals. You can check business, agency, hotel, travel. These are themes there. Local business, plumber, AC, blah blah blah, catering, personal, salon, blah blah blah, professional, finance, law, coach, blah blah blah, website designer. So let's assume that you're a website designer. So just click on that and look for a free. So you can see that this is the theme I use for our website. This is a free theme. This is a free theme. You're gonna be seeing the free themes, a lot of free themes that you can use as your website design. This one is premium. This one is premium, this one is free. So look for the best theme that you like. Now I told you that when you are designing a website, you are the god of that website. So everything that wants to happen is what will happen. When God was creating the heaven and the earth, after he created the heaven and the earth, he waited. And now when he's trying to create, designing the earth, is what you are doing now. So now you want to design how the website will look to people. So whatever thing you put on that is what is going to be visible to them. So everything you are seeing on earth now was what God designed to be on the earth. So anything that he doesn't put on the website will not be on the website, because you are the god of that designs. You understand what I'm saying? So you can look for anything that you can use. Just look for that, and you can decide to use this theme as well. This is my free theme. You can decide to use the one I use for our website. But I think the network will load at your end. If you are doing your own, it won't be as this. So that's just that about the theme. So that's what we are doing now. How to install theme and plug in on your website. So just to ensure that the look of the website is changed, let me use this one as well. Let me use this one. Let me hit this. So the reason why it's loading like this is network. So let's pardon the network. So this is how the face looks like now. So let's see, after we're able to install this, if the network allow this thing to work, when it loads, we're going to see the magic. So let's keep trusting the network as it loads. Oh yeah. So that's how the website looks. So now this is the theme. You can see the theme. Everything about me is on the theme. So now this is available for work. Since it's a personal theme, you can decide to use the same theme, and you can decide to go and look for another theme that you can use. So what you do now, this is a color. You put another color depending on the brand color you want to use for yourself. You can change the brand color. You know what I'm saying? So you can change the brand color and for your own taste. You can change the color. Once you are clicking on that, it will be changing color. It will be changing color. You can be changing color. You can be changing color. So just choose the color you wish for yourself, that you like for your brand, and then you click, or you use the black. So what you do now, just continue. You can see, so you're already starting creating or installing the theme now. So now we say click on this, ensure you mark everything that is there. Just mark it for just marking sake. Mark everything that is there. Continue. See now, the following plugin will be installed and activated for the selected features. So these plugins, Elementor, will be automatically installed alongside with the theme. So just continue. So you see, say your first name. So let me just put name. You can put your first name, Emmanuel. So submit and build my website. So now let's wait some. So install. You can see now. You can be checking the. You do the rudiment. You see installing required theme, plugin, the forms, etc. So installing required. So it's loading now. The percentage on the website is loading. So let's give it a time. Just ensure you have a nice or good network. Sure you have a good network, and I don't want the video to be too long, but network is making it long now, so we don't have option. So now you see 90%. This is how the website looks now. This is how it looks now. This is how the whole thing looks now. So if there's a magic you want to perform, so let's wait. Finishing, final finishing. You see now, he said I just built my website in 1 point something minutes. So I want to do something, that's why let me just picture this piece. So let's leave that. So we can decide. Let's go to let's refresh this now. Let's see the magic. Let's see the magic if what we've done has successfully worked. So I hope you've seen it. So this is the theme now. You can see now after you install the theme, the entire website changed. So that is theme for you. So you've successfully done that. So now you can see now when you install WordPress the other time, the look of your website was somehow. So when you install the theme, everything changed. So that is just that about tonight's training. So see you all in day 8.